Good evening, everyone. I am Shamil Çetinkaya, and today I'm going to try to answer the questions that are asked in the lab video. So let's start with first question. Open circuit experiment is on sets to the rated voltage level in the primary. The current ratings are different for each phase. Explain why the measurements are different. So, since there is a small difference between currents, this system may be unbalanced. And unbalance in three-phase arises from uneven loads since it's an open circuit test, it can be expected because we don't know the loads between the phases. And when it's come to the second question, one phase is bypassing the wattmeter in the R test. Explain why this phase is not connected to the wattmeter as well. To measure power, 3 volt and 2 current information is enough. As we learned in earlier, 2 wattmeter methods work like this. So there is an ammeter, there's a voltmeter, there's a voltmeter too, and another ampermeter. They are loads. Therefore, one phase can be connected directly to the loads. In this case, this is the middle one, this one. And in the third question, the neutral part of the load is not connected to the output. Neutral connections are separated from each other. What would be the effect of having a connection between the neutral points of the secondary side and the loads? If we connect the neutral points, the third harmonic problem can be solved in three phase. But in this case, third harmonic problem may be solved by delta Y connection, and also in a balanced system, when all currents and the power factors are same, the phasor sum is 0. Because of that, there is no need to connect neutrals. And the fourth question is that why there isn't any cooling fans at the backside of the capacitive and inductive load banks? Because resistance bank has it. And in this question, I did some research on internet, and I found that the reactive power, which is I square x, does not produce heat. On the other hand, power consumed in the resistance will produce heat, which we know as I square R. And in real life, inductor and capacitor has some resistance values. However, it does not heat the bank as the resistance do. So it does contribute a little bit, but it looks like it doesn't need a cooling system. And in the final question is that in 2R and 3L step, input power is increased, comparing with 2R and 2L part. There is a change only in inductive loads. Explain why this power rating difference happening. So an answer can be, since the inductor has a small value of resistance, the input power may be increased due to that's an unideality. And also, and I believe that that's the main reason behind that, the extra inductance decreases the phase angle. And this decrease in the phase angle may lead the input power to increase. So that's all. Have a great day.